In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unprivate your Duolingo account. We'll walk through the exact path on the website so you can switch your profile from private to public in just a minute or two, and I'll share a few quick tips along the way to keep things smooth. Start by opening your browser and heading to duolingo.com. If you aren't already signed in, make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're on your home screen, look to the left side of the page for the main navigation. Move your mouse over the option labeled More. On some screens, it appears as three dots. Either way, hovering or clicking it will open an expanded menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings area where all your personal preferences live. On the settings page, look for the privacy section. You can get there by selecting privacy settings in the left column or near the top tabs, depending on your layout. If you prefer going directly, the address bar will show you you're on the privacy page when it ends with Settings Privacy. On the privacy settings page, scroll until you find the option labeled Make My Profile Public. This is the control that switches your account from private to public. A public profile lets other Duolingo users see basic information like your username, the languages you're studying, and things like your streak or leaderboard placement. It's helpful if you want friends to find you, join leagues, or add a bit of friendly competition. To unprivate your account, click the toggle next to Make My Profile Public so it turns on. When it's on, it will change color to indicate it's active. If it already looks on, you're set and don't need to change anything. After toggling it, don't forget to save. Look for the Save Changes button on the page and click it. This step is important. If you navigate away without saving, your setting may revert and your profile will stay private. Give the page a second to confirm your changes. If you refresh and the toggle remains on, your profile is now public. If you don't see the option or it's grayed out, double check that you're in the correct account and try refreshing the page. In some cases, certain account types managed by organizations may restrict privacy controls, and you would need to adjust settings where they're managed. That's it. Go to Duolingo, open More, select Settings, head to Privacy, turn on Make My Profile Public, and save your changes. You're ready to share your progress and connect with others on Duolingo.